Drake makes a dig at Kanye with a Kim K sample. Barbie Ferreira reveals why she left Euphoria. Paul Mescal has a sleek post-awards fix. And Em Rata might have just confirmed she's dating Harry Styles. Bella Ramsay's cornflake recipe will leave you with so many questions. The Last of Us star has revealed that they eat their cornflakes with orange juice instead of milk and insists it's really, really good. Not sure I'll be giving this combo a try, but it's so unhinged I kinda rate it. Lady Gaga has well and truly become Harley Quinn. In snaps from the set of the Joker sequel, Gaga has been seen with Joaquin Phoenix on the famous Joker stairs. The film Folie A Deux will be a musical, and it looks like Gaga is a great fit. While we're talking films, Fleabag genius Phoebe Waller-Bridge could be behind the next Bond film. It's rumoured Phoebe is the first choice to direct the next 007, and she actually helped write the script for No Time to Die in 2021. It's not due to go into production until next year and won't be released until 2025. So we'll have to see. Oh, and Florence Pugh and Andrew Garfield have given us another reason to live. The pair have been spotted filming their new rom-com, We Live in Time, out on the streets of London. So excited to see this one. Ariana Grande has shared her life-changing journey as filming for Wicked reached the halfway point. Sharing a very sweet post to Insta, Ari said she hopes this isn't all a dream because it feels like one as she plays Glinda the Good Witch in the upcoming film adaptation of the musical. Wholesome tea. Barbie Ferreira has revealed exactly why she left Euphoria. Barbie spoke on the Armchair Expert podcast after announcing her exit last year. She said her departure was a mutual decision with her character Kat having nowhere to go. She also said, I really wanted to be able to not be the fat best friend. I don't want to play that, and I think they didn't want that either. She also denied walking off set, clarifying that the only time she did was when she sprained her ankles, so maybe the rumours came from that. From one Barbie to another, literally everyone is in the upcoming Greta Gerwig film. Thanks to those iconic promo posters, the countdown to seeing Margot Robbie and Ryan Gosling in cinema is on. As well as Ncuti Gatwa, Emma Mackey, Dua Lipa, Nicola Coughlan and Connor Swindles, to name a few. This Barbie is desperate for July 21st. Olivia Rodrigo might just be working on a new album. In her latest Insta dump, Olivia shared a photo of her sitting at the piano once again, and fans reckon it's a little teaser for new music. It's been 2 whole years, so fans are pretty keen for her to crack on. Em Rata might have just confirmed she's dating Harry Styles. Speaking on the Going Mental with Eileen Kelly podcast just a couple of weeks before that kiss, Emily said she'd been hanging out with someone like her for a few weeks and is feeling different. She said, but if you had talked to me 4 weeks ago, I would have been like, absolutely, oh well, he's kinda great. So no, she didn't drop names, but if you connect the dots. Kendall Jenner and Bad Bunny have been photographed on a date. Not just any day, obviously. The pair were seen horseback riding together at the Hidden Hills Equestrian Center in California. They have been rumoured to be dating for a month or so now. Sober date idea unlocked. Drake has sampled Kim K chatting about the Kanye divorce on his new song Search and Rescue. The sample was taken from the series finale of Keeping Up with the Kardashians, and after the first chorus, Kim can be heard talking about her separation from Kanye. She tells Kris Jenner, I didn't come this far just to come this far and not be happy, remember that. And considering Drake has a long-standing feud with Kanye, it seems like some shady tea. Paul Mescal was snapped getting a sleek post-awards fix. After winning big at the Oliviers, Paul was snapped by his sister Nell, grabbing a McDonald's on the way home. He can be seen dressed up, Olivier in one hand and paper bag in the other. He even posts the award taking a sip from his cup. Honestly, it's the after party of dreams. That's it for today. See you next time for a splash more curiosity.